I rarely feel thirsty. Like I could go for a long time without drinking. I'm always forcing myself to drink.
Then you don't drink.
Pardon?
Trust your body. Trust your body.
So would you say then to not drink if I'm not thirsty until I'm thirsty?
That's right. You don't need it. So if you want to drink, just like I'm continuing to talking, and I need some tea, so because I'm spending a lot of energy, right? You have to look at this way. One is you can see, one is you cannot see, right? One see, one cannot see. So your drinking is based on the body try to tell you. That's two levels. One is your body own sense and the sensibility, the communication, right? The saliva is a communication, and the body tell you, hey, you are missing the body fluid. You might need to continue adding something. So if this transition, the tunnels not sensitive enough, then you might not be able to feel that when you're thirsty, right? And the second one, so you have to understand, when you drink the water, where it goes. You have to think in the entire physiology, the concept. Water coming into the body goes to the stomach, and the stomach connects to where? Look at the entire path. The stomach doesn't connect to the blood, right? Urination, the water coming in has to go to the urination. You have to urinate. If you continue drink, doesn't coming out, what's happening? Gonna stay there. You're overweight, you water weight. You don't want it, right? You want the water can drain in, take whatever what they want, and the rest can pass out. That's what we all wish this way. But all the water came from the stomach, turned to the moisture, and it goes to the entire body. And then absorb into, come back from the kidney, and pass out. Did you ask your body how much energy you have to go through this kind of burning, this kind of processing? Why you force the body continue to do these things? Think of this, how much energy you have to waste for that kind of concept? You might dehydrate, you might, but you waste so much energy. And then you force the body continue doing this. And then later, until you don't have energy, now what's happening? Blood clogged, urination leak. There's so many other kind of conditions, the bone loss, but they never make this connection. What's happening? You force your body continue do something non-necessary job, and is energy deficient. You really need to thinking for the energetic level, not as the physical level.
Yeah, I believe that. For the last week or so, I stopped forcing myself to drink water. And I actually, well, I don't pee as much, obviously. But yeah, I think that I do have more energy. But I keep wondering and kind of worrying, am I getting dehydrated?
So you have to believe in yourself. See, you have to believe your body will telling you. You have to learn the signal. Just I give an example. When we was kids, right? When we practice Qigong, my master always say, you have to experience called the wisdom of the body. For example, hunger, right? We all eat by time. Do you eat by hunger? You have to learn, okay, when you're hungry, what's the message for the body? One of the days, you guys, if possible, I think for the summer program, maybe we experience. You guys have to experience when hunger, what's happening? Each one of you, body will send different messages. Some people will shake. Some people will look like I'm faint out. Experienced, but you're not gonna die. But you are experienced. Oh, that is the natural feelings. You have to recognize the natural feeling. You have to recognize this natural feeling. And then the training the body can do something. Training body can do something, right? It's a different kind of training. I give you one more example. You will understand called the training. When we was kids, we do the martial arts at the morning, right? Do the martial arts at the morning, the number one requirement master always say, do not get in pee. Don't go to the bathroom first. So what's happening? So the urination in the blood. So we don't want to go past from that path. We want practice, get your sweat, then allow the water transform from the different areas. You see that kind of practice? So therefore you change the processing of the water elements in the body. Today, I keep training the student do this way, right? It's a different kind of training for different kind of purpose. So, all depend how do you want to train? How do you want to see the capability of yourself?